Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Suzanne. Today's video is going to be a beauty haul. I did get some stuff from the drugstore and I went to Sephora as well, so I just wanted to show you guys what I got. And yeah, so if you want to see what I got, just keep on watching. Let's start from Sephora. I did get two foundations. If you know me, I really love foundations. So the first foundation I got is the Yummy Skin Serum Foundation from Danessa Myricks. I just filmed a first impression on this foundation, so I will upload it soon for you guys. I got my shade in 6N and I'm wearing it right now. It looks stunning. So I'm really excited about this foundation. The second foundation, it's not really new. This is new from Danessa Myricks. The other foundation I got, it's not super new, but it's new from the brand. It was just all over YouTube, so I decided to get it. This is the Beauty Blender Bounce Skin Tint. I got my shade, I got the shade medium 3, which is more of like a tan summer shade kind of color for me. This is what the bottle looks like. It's so pretty. I will probably do a get ready with me using this foundation. There are so many reviews on this foundation on YouTube, but if you want me to do one, just let me know. But yeah, I'm really excited about this foundation. I went to Shoppers Drug Mart the other day and I got some stuff as well. And one of the things was at the display was this Shiseido, the Ultrasound Protection Set. So you get the Ultrasound Protection Lotion, which is a big size here. This is 100 ml. This is for face and body. I wanted to try a new SPF. And I'm really happy with this one. I tried it the other day and it's very smoothing, very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't clog my pores at all. It's really a nice lightweight lotion. And it also comes as a bonus, which is really nice, a deep cleansing foam. And also came with this treatment softener. It's like a liquid lotion. I'm really excited to use these. I've used this before. It's more of a foamy cleanser. It takes your makeup off completely. I really like this. I also bought some Lily lashes. They're available at Shoppers. They're $20. They were on sale when I got them. I'm wearing one pair today, which I'm really loving. I did cut quite a bit because they were so long. This is in the style Posh. I don't know how you say it. And I'm wearing them today. They're really pretty, wispy. They're full, but not too dramatic. Like, they're nice. I got them for $16. I got another style, and this is the VIP. And it looks really stunning. Probably a little bit more dramatic than the ones I'm wearing today. But these were like $16. I think it was a good deal. You can wear them up to 15 wears. I think I wear my lashes more than 15 times. So I stocked up on the Essence brow, what is it called? Make Me Brow Eyebrow Gel Mascara. And I got the shade Browny Brows, and this is the color of this mascara. I really like this on the go when I'm not really filling my brows. I just kind of grab this, brush my brows, and I'm all set. And it holds my brows, gives me a little bit of a tint. It has fibers in it, so it just helps to kind of fill in your brows at the same time. So it's like 3 products in one. And from Essence, I picked up another liner. This is the nude color. I really love this pencil for my waterline. It just makes a huge difference when you apply this one. It makes your eyes so big and it lasts all day. Like, this is the best nude pencil I've ever used. And I also want to try this new mascara. This is the Essence Double Trouble Mascara. So I haven't tried this mascara yet, but this is new. So this brush has 2 different bristles. Like, the top is a little bit longer and you have like shorter bristles on the other side. I don't know if you can see this on camera. It's really interesting. I'm really excited to use this, but I'm not gonna use it now because I just lost all of my extensions and my lashes are so tiny and short. So I'm gonna wait until I grow them back and I will try this mascara. One of my favorite mascaras from Essence is the Lash Princess Mascara. It's really a nice mascara. I use it today on my bottom lashes. So yeah, I'm really excited to use this one here. From Almay, I picked up this blush. I've tried these blushes before. I have a pink shade. This is the nude color. It's really pretty. They have a beautiful sheen to them. So it's like a glow within. And I really like the texture of this blush. It's very smooth. and the color is stunning for summer. It's like a sunburned kind of color. It's really, really pretty. Actually, I'm wearing it today. I was really excited to use this one today. It's on my cheeks. I really, really love those blushes. I think they're worth it. They're $12.97, I believe. I got this one from Walmart. And the last thing I picked up from Walmart was this L'Oreal Skin Paradise. This is the water-infused tinted moisturizer. I have never seen this. I was at Walmart in the beauty section and I found this and I was like, I've never seen this. And I don't know, there was a tester and I tried it on my hand and it looked stunning on my hand. It was very, very hydrating. It had a lot of coverage. So this has claims for medium coverage. I got my shade, I think 02, which is called light. The shades were not the best. I think they had only 5 or 6 shades. I think this was the second lightest shade. If you want me to do a first impression on this foundation, let me guys know. As well, from the Body Shop, I picked up this palette here. I have never used Body Shop eyeshadow palettes, and this just, I don't know, it kind of called my name. It's really, really pretty. The colors are so beautiful, like those shimmers and the mattes as well. I'm really excited to get this one and it was on sale. I think this retailed for $28. I'm wearing it today on my eyes. It's really, really nice. I really like the shimmers. Yeah, so this is all I got from the Drugstore and Sephora. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe before you leave and thank you so much for watching. Bye.